School notice 學校通告學校通告 Notice or circular 通告通告 Parent reply slip 家長回條家長回條 Signature 簽名簽名 Contact number 聯絡電話聯絡電話 Sick leave 病假病假 Doctor's certificate 醫生紙醫生紙 Mom, need your signature on this school notice. 媽，有學校通告要簽名。媽，有學校通告要簽名。What does it say? 講乜嘢㗎？講乜嘢㗎？It says taking sick leave will require a doctor's certificate. 係話告病假要有醫生紙。係話告病假要有醫生紙。Sign where? 簽喺邊？簽喺邊？